Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about a very simple strategy which has an accuracy rate above 50% and has the probability to give you 100 pips on each and every entry point that you take. So basically, we'll be looking for something like this, whereby we make an entry after a simple candlestick reversal pattern and close when we reach 100 pips plus. Sit back, relax, and learn something. So basically, on this channel, we trade and teach the institutional trading method. So in this strategy, the time frame of observation is going to be H4 time frame. We all know that you cannot catch 100 pips consistently when you are trading on smaller time frames like the M15 or the M5 time frame. We will be entering after a candlestick reversal pattern is issued in the point of what we call the market interest. So the first thing is actually to let price come to the point of market interest for you to catch a candlestick reversal pattern that allows you to make an entry. From its name, our target will be 100 pips against a stop loss of 40 to 50 pips, which gives us a risk to reward ratio of 2:1. Below are the steps of finding the point of market interest. So the first thing that you must see is an impulsive rise or drop on the H4 time frame. This is basically the first level of the cycle if we are now talking in the market maker context. The second thing is now to see that impulse having a 13 EMA crossing a 50 EMA. Then the third thing is you must see the market come back to the 50 EMA region, and this is the market point of interest. These three steps will actually allow you to have a point of entry. So we are saying the first thing, or the time frame of observation, is the H4. Indicators that you are going to need is the 13 and 50 EMA. So we are going to need something like this, whereby we have a 1350 EMA cross. In this case, my 13 in red, my 50 in blue. Then the market must actually give us an impulse and then a pullback to the 50 EMA. The 50 EMA region is a point where we call point of market interest. On that point of market interest, a candlestick closure or a candlestick reversal pattern can give us an entry that will last 100 plus pips. So let's have more examples on the charts, but before we do so, check out our free Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So this is odd against dollar H4 time frame. It's H4 time frame. I get a lot of questions pertaining what time frame am I using. The first thing that we have defined is actually to see an impulse in the upside or downside when we are on the H4 time frame. In this case, we had a drop, and after that drop, we had a pullback to the 50 EMA. So the drop or the crossover must be in a different period to where you want to trade. So this was a point of market interest, which is the 50 EMA. Zooming in, we can see that there was a candlestick reversal pattern that was issued, and after its completion, we were going to make an entry. Let's have another example where we had a crossover of the 50 and the 200, the 50 and the 13 EMA. We had this point as a reversal point, and a crossover was issued at this point. However, we were not going to take this entry. Why? Because the crossover and the pullback has happened in the same week like this. We need to take the pullback in the following week, which is this one. Therefore, our point of market interest was going to be this one. At this point, that is where we were going to make our entry, in this case a buy, which could last 100 pips. To check if this was going to hold for 100 pips, we can see that this whole impulse had 220 pips. Right? Going forth, we can see another point, a crossover of the 50 and the 13 EMA, where we had the first impulse and a point of market interest was issued, right? A point of market interest, which is this one. After that point of market interest, we had an entry, and exit was actually done after a 100 pip move. On this note, we come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching, and check out all other videos that we have uploaded on our channel. You will definitely learn something new. See you on the next one.